Hi guys, I'm here to teach you how to create a green screen transition like this one. You can use it on Instagram Reels and incorporate it into your videos. So this is all done on your cell phone, and the first thing you're going to want to do is download the InShot app, and you can find this on the App Store. You're also going to want to find something to use for a green screen. You can use a brightly colored piece of poster board. It doesn't have to be green, but you want to find a piece of poster board, or I didn't have one, so I just printed off a piece of green paper on my printer. I found a template on Google Images for a green screen and just printed that off, and then I cut off the border, and then just so I had a green piece of paper in front of me. Then you're going to want to film 2 different videos. The first video will just be a very simple video of you in one outfit. You can move around or you can stand still. Very simple. And then the other video is going to be you holding your green screen and sliding it up and down. I then chose to drop the green screen at the end so that I could use that as a transition into another video. You'll be able to see it all at the end of the video, how I put it all together. Now that you've filmed both videos, you're going to want to upload them into your InShot app. For the first one, I'm going to choose New Video, and I'm going to upload the video where I am not holding the green screen. So I've uploaded that. And then I'm going to press, it's called PIP, and then I'm going to upload the second video where I'm holding the green screen. So I'll choose that video, upload it, and as you can see, now they're overlaying each other. You just use your fingers to slide one on top of the other. You can also move and trim your videos so they match in length. The next step is you're going to want to choose your top video and then press Chroma key or Chroma. And then you're going to want to drag that circle over the green screen and change the strength on the slider until it is a perfect square. And then what will happen is you will see the first video behind the green screen. That's really all there is to it. You can also then adjust with your fingers where the bottom video lies, so you can adjust it so they're perfectly aligned. If you didn't happen to take video in the same exact spot, you can add on different transitions, and I'm going to show you the final result at the end of this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to see more.